Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Jamaica Stock Exchange officially launched its new micro market to provide a structured, regulated platform for micro and small enterprises to raise equity capital. The new exchange specifically allows small owner-operated businesses to raise between 50 million and 100 million Jamaican dollars to fuel growth and expansion. The JSE micro market will provide listed companies with a full income tax holiday for the first 5 years, followed by a 50% income tax concession for years 6 through 10. Unlike larger markets, the micro market provides built-in mentorship, operational guidance, and smaller managing committees acting like a board of directors to support the company's daily operations and strategic decision-making. Additionally, companies will get support through the JSE Sandbox funded by the IDB. Accelerators such as Business Works, Jamaica Business Development Corporation, and the Small Business Association of Jamaica will be part of the micro market incubator. JN Bank has reported a sharp increase in profitability for the financial year ending March 31. With net profit more than tripling compared with the previous year. The bank posted net profit of $1.45 billion, up from $439 million a year earlier. JN Bank says the strong performance reflects improved operational efficiency and resilience despite ongoing local economic challenges. JN Bank's total assets increased $286 million, while customer deposits grew by $24 billion to just under $234 billion, a sign of continued confidence among its customers both locally and overseas. The bank also strengthened its capital position with total equity rising to nearly $30 billion. For the trading period of June 23, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 13,114,984 units, representing 44.71% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 2,736,343 units, representing 9.33% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,501,391 units, representing 8.53% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 23, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.28 and buying at $156.73. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 82-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.69 and was bought for $110.87. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $6.88 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.69 and was bought for $204.81. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow, timing, and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, what does financial recovery look like for somebody over 50? Well, I meet clients who believe that financial recovery means getting back to where they were before a divorce, job loss, business setback, or major life disruption. In reality, financial recovery is about creating stability from your current circumstances. And your credit report is the most important tool to make this happen. From a banking perspective, recovery starts with facts, not feelings. Step 1, determine what you actually own. Step 2, understand your cash flow. Step 3, separate needs from preferences. Step 4, preserve liquidity. And step 5, protect your retirement years. Financial recovery is not about reclaiming the past. It's about making disciplined decisions that create security, independence, and options for the future. For our funded and focused feature, for single-parent entrepreneurs, you need to build cash reserves to fuel growth as a single parent. Your business and your family are closely connected, and when an emergency happens at home, it can affect your business. When your business faces a setback, your family feels the impact. That's why building cash reserves should be a priority. So here are 4 actions you can take today. 1, pay yourself first. 2, create 2 separate reserve accounts. 3, reduce cash leaks. 4, set a reserve target. Cash reserves do more than provide security. They give you the ability to say yes to opportunities without taking on costly debt and no to decisions driven by financial pressure. The strongest businesses are not always those with the highest revenues. They are often the ones with enough cash to survive challenges and invest in growth when opportunities arise. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.